Hello everyone, I'm inside the office of my friend who is also our nurse educator here in the OR, and I'm working on a project that he is pioneering. So basically what I'm doing is I am uploading photos. So if you look at this, so ayan yung database na create ng educator namin, nurse educator namin. So these are the pictures that I took and then in-upload ko siya doon sa kanyang database. So ginagawa namin to para mapabilis yung paghahanap ng mga supplies pag may kailangan kami. Usually kasi kami rin yung nagbubuo ng aming OR cart, meaning yung isang buong cart na yan, nandiyan lahat ng supplies na kailangan for that specific case. And minsan ang hirap maghanap. So maganda na may database na nagawa para hahanapin na lang namin dun sa computer kung nasaan yung nawawalang or hinahanap namin supply. Ganyan.